Yo, what's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. It is the 4th of August. We're focusing today, or took 3 trades, 2 losses, 1 plus 0.5%. So not a great week percentage-wise, but it was very good. In other aspects. Been doing a lot of studying this week on the foundation course, digging into a couple of specific, talking to a few guys in the Falcon community who've been really helpful, sending me like voice notes or forecasts, etc., of what they're thinking about and how they're looking at certain trades that I've been sort of looking at. So in that aspect, it's been really good. Between them, they've all shone a lot of light on a few areas that I was struggling with. So yeah, thank you guys, you know who you are, appreciate your time. Anyway, today is, so this week, I don't know if you remember, it's sort of been 2 weeks since these videos are coming out, like a week or 2 after it's happening. A couple of weeks ago, you might remember the M-style structure that we had with $CAD. It's literally just tagged the high and broken back down. So at the moment I'm waiting for confirmation to set an entry in. Yeah, that's quite interesting. It's quite nice to be following the market and watching a forecast play out, as opposed to feeling like you're chasing the market and still have an element of that, but it's getting better. But anyway, the trades are taken this week. 2 on Monday morning, silly ones. I share these in my I think, did I share a story or did I share a post on Instagram? Yo, what's up everyone? Just wanted to give you a little heads up. This morning I took a filthy loss. Impatient, got in way too early, silly move, learn from my mistakes. It was Aussie dollar. See this little flag moving, forming. 1, 2. Thought that was like a near miss of this trend line. 1, 2, near miss. And I got in around here. Don't ask me why, I don't know. Then obviously moved up, tagged me out. Then I done another silly thing, revenge trade. Put another entry in here. And now where are we at? And we're moving up. We're going up to this hook point. This is how I'm seeing it. I'm seeing this hook point here. I should have seen it earlier. We're moving back up towards that. I'm hoping that we come back down. Hopefully I'll get break even, but schoolboy error. Rushed a position, got tagged out, and then revenge traded it because I wanted to make that percentage back, and then got into a messy trade and got tagged out again. So I lost 2% first thing on Monday morning. I didn't know what I was doing. Monday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, so first thing I got up at, so I think it fell into, I was feeling good. This is the first time in a long time that I'm getting up early to forecast and be on top of my chart work, and you know, on top of the day in general. You know, I've been going to the gym too late. I've been getting to bed like 3 in the morning after going to the gym at midnight. So you know, this morning in particular, I was feeling positive. I was feeling good. It's gonna be a good week. You know, back on track. And I just was too eager, got involved a little bit too quick, and I took a loss. And then because I took a loss, it then moved up to the position I should have waited for. That was anticipating. And I was like, right, we'll get involved again. Tagged me out twice. So knocked me down a peg or 2 first thing Monday morning. So yeah, that's just me being impatient. Still working on it. I'm probably going to be working on it for a few months, so I'm not going to dive into it anymore. Every single week, impatient. So that was just another thing. So this is just another example of me getting involved too quick, too eager, and just making a mistake. But the revenge trade was a strange feeling. I didn't think I'd ever come down to a revenge trade. So that was an odd one, and I hope I don't do it again, because it didn't feel right. It didn't feel good. I knew I was doing it out of trying to make a percentage back, and it's just not the way to do it. And it sort of felt wrong. Do you know what I mean? Like it wasn't predicted, it wasn't a forecast. I was just chasing a profit, and the market was just slapped me about and was like, nope, I got what I deserve, basically. Yeah, by lunchtime on Monday morning, I was down 2% through rushing and a revenge trade. So that in itself is another lesson. I was minus 2% on a Monday morning. Come on now. You know, some people hadn't even got up. And then I took my third trade. Third trade was on Monday as well. Tagged in at 6 PM, 20 to 6 in the evening. 3 trades all 3, so I'm allowing myself 3 trades a week. And I used all my trades on Monday. If that doesn't say impatient and eager and quick on the trigger, I don't know what does. And I'm well aware of it, which is a strange thing to be aware of. So yeah, I'm not going to dive into it again. Like, I've spoken about it a couple of times already. You need to work on that patience. Just got to work on that patience. Slow down, be present. That's what I was saying in my last video. Be present with my entries. Am I present? No. So that's it. So yeah, that's it. I'm not even going to dive into these and try and pull them apart. And this is why I was doing it. And this is rushed them, revenge trade. I'm just messing about. It's horrible to admit, but like I was saying, you know, I'm taking this seriously. I'm taking my demo account seriously, like a business, and it's a profession, like as like a long-term thing. Those 3 trades aren't professional. Those 3 trades weren't business related. They weren't treated like a business. Come on, man. So yeah, just a little bit of tough love, and it is what it is. So anyway, back to today. Got this got this M-style structure building. Got a little push down. Just waiting for confirmation, and we'll get involved. Hopefully it's going to be Monday, because as it stands, I can't get involved with the trades because I've used all 3. So like I said, I've been doing loads of bits in my foundation course. This is what I started my foundation series in, and then I've got my little notepad, which is filled with anything, literally like ideas that I've got, just random scraps, even if it's just making a shopping list. This is like the scrapbook. So that one's for if I'm watching like a webinar or a back testing session, or if I'm chatting with one of the boys on the call. That's the one where I make notes like that, rough notes, scribbles, little bullet points, and really rough, just off cuff. Someone's talking, blah blah, I'm listening, little bullet point, okay cool, talking, okay we're watching I don't know, the Sunday market breakdown, and Mark's talking about something, and there's a little annotation he's made. Okay, look, something about a hook point. Right, let me draw down my hook points. I'll just really, not precise little graph, literally a scribble with a hook point in it, with an arrow, hook point, this is what he was saying, blah blah blah, rough. Then when I've got some time, I'll take my rough sketchbook and I'll go to one of the neater ones and I'll put it in there. And then it puts it in my head again because I've written it down twice. All these little things, they might help, they might not. It's just, that's what helps. That's just something that helps for me. Let me know if you want some like tip videos. That might be something to do. I could do like really quick little beginner maybe 2 to 5 minute videos. That'd be quite cool actually. Maybe it is something we'll do. But anyway, that is this week in review. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I hope you've had a good week. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take it easy, bye bye.